In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a review section on Squarespace. Starting off, Squarespace is a wonderful platform that enables you to create stunning websites with ease. However, when it comes to enriching your site with features like a review section, it might not be immediately clear how to proceed. That's why I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. First off, you'll want to head to the Squarespace website. It's pretty straightforward. Just open your preferred browser and type squarespace.com in the search bar, or follow a bookmark if you have one. Squarespace's homepage is designed to be welcoming, with plenty of options to explore, but for now we'll focus on logging in. To do so, locate the Login button. This is your gateway to accessing the back end of your website where all the magic happens. Once you click Login, Squarespace offers several methods to authenticate. For simplicity and convenience, we recommend choosing Continue with Google. This option allows you to log in using your Google account, which is particularly handy if you're already signed into Google on your browser. Now you'll see a list of Google accounts that you've previously used on this browser. Click on the one you want to use for Squarespace. It's a seamless way to integrate your Squarespace activities with your Google account, keeping everything interconnected and streamlined. After you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the main dashboard of Squarespace. This is where you can manage and edit your website. To proceed, head to your website by clicking on its name or the corresponding edit icon. If you manage multiple sites, make sure you select the correct one. Next, we're diving into the settings to activate the review section. Look for the settings option. It should be accessible from the dashboard or a side menu depending on your layout. Squarespace has designed its interface to be intuitive, so finding settings should be a breeze. Within settings, your next stop is the selling section. This area is dedicated to all things commerce on your Squarespace site. Given that reviews are a crucial part of selling by providing customer feedback, this is precisely where we need to be. Under Selling, you'll find the Product Reviews option. This selection is specifically tailored for enabling and managing reviews for the products or services you offer through your site. Clicking here takes us closer to the goal. Finally, to activate the review functionality, simply turn on the reviews switch. Squarespace has designed this toggle to be user-friendly, offering a clear visual indication whether the feature is active or not. Once this switch is flipped on, you're all set. Your customers will now be able to leave reviews on the products they've purchased, offering valuable feedback and potentially boosting your sales through positive recommendations. And there you have it. Adding a review section to your Squarespace website is a simple process that can significantly enhance your site's functionality and appeal. Remember, engaging with your customers through their feedback is an excellent way to improve your products and services, so make sure to monitor and respond to your reviews as needed. That wraps up our guide for today. Thank you for joining me, and make sure to check back for more helpful tips and tricks to elevate your Squarespace experience.